It's late. You're scrolling on your phone, flipping through pictures of houses. You see a perfectly average three-bedroom place, maybe built in the late 1990s. Then you see the price tag, $500,000, and you feel that heavy pit in your stomach. You start doing the mental math and you ask yourself a question that feels incredibly isolating. Who is actually buying these? Is everyone else making $300,000 a year, or am I just doing something completely wrong? This feeling of looking at a $500,000 price tag for a normal home and feeling defeated is not just a passing thought. It is the silent, pervasive anxiety of an entire generation trying to navigate an economy that feels fundamentally broken. For decades, we've been told that homeownership is the ultimate goal. It's the finish line for financial freedom. And we've been told that renting is exactly the same as taking a pile of your cash and setting it on fire every single month. But the truth nobody tells you is that your inability to afford a $500,000 house right now does not make you irresponsible. You are not lazy. You are just unarmed. You are trying to play a modern financial game using a rule book that was written 40 years ago. Let's do the brutal math on that $500,000 house. To get a standard mortgage, you're expected to put down 20%. That's $100,000 in pure liquid cash. Take a second to really conceptualize that number. After that, you have a $400,000 loan. In today's market, your monthly payment, including principal, interest, property taxes, and insurance, will be well over $3,500. And remember, your mortgage payment is the absolute minimum you will pay each month. When your HVAC system dies, that's a $10,000 emergency you have to cover. When property taxes get reassessed and jump by 20%, that's on you. To comfortably afford this house, you realistically need a household income approaching $150,000 or more. The math is not just difficult. For most people, it is completely broken. We have turned homeownership from a simple housing choice into a profound measure of human worth, and the pressure to achieve it is physically and mentally exhausting. But this is where we have to introduce a massive mindset shift. What if renting is not throwing your money away? What if renting is actually a brilliant form of cash flow hacking? Think about it. Home equity is incredibly illiquid. You can't use it to buy groceries or pay for a medical emergency. You become asset rich but cash poor. Instead, let's talk about the invisible wallet strategy. You figure out the difference between your current rent and that hypothetical $3,500 mortgage payment. Even if it's only $200 a month, you set up an automated transfer. Every single month, that money moves from your checking account into a low-cost, broad market index fund. You never see it, you never touch it. You are creating an army of dollar bills that work for you while you sleep. This automated approach bypasses all the psychological barriers and decision fatigue. You are no longer stressing about real estate. Instead, you are focusing entirely on sleep investing, building real liquid wealth that you can actually access. Look, it's okay to be frustrated with the promises our economy has made, but staying angry does not build wealth. Adapting to the reality of the board does. You get to define what financial success looks like for you, and it absolutely does not have to be a $500,000 house. It can be a life built on automated systems, the quiet power of compound interest, and the freedom to live wherever you want. If this video helped shift your mindset today, hit the like button so this information can reach others. Also, drop a comment below with the biggest realization you had today, and subscribe to keep mastering these money psychology rules. As always, this is to inform you in a responsible, educational way, not to provide financial advice. See you in the next one.